this video, we are going to talk about replace function for the string. Let's say we are having a variable message, and inside this I want to store some string like hello world. Okay, so I want to replace the word, or you can say the string word, with another string. For that you have to use the name of the variable dot, and now I want to use the replace function. Inside this, first you have to mention what you want to replace. So I want to replace the word, and with what you want to replace is, let's say I want to replace it with the universe. And now just simply print this message and run this. So you can see hello world is still the same, it is not replaced. For that, what you have to do is you have to write the name of the variable and equals to. Now this is going to work. Okay, so run this again. See, now it is replaced, and let's say it's containing some 1 2 1 3, right? So now here I want to replace 1 with 5 and run this. So as you can see, the 1 is replaced with the 5. As you can see, there are two ones, so both are replaced by 5. Here you can mention how many times you want it to be replaced. For example, there are two 1, but I just want to replace the first one, so just write 1. The second one will not be replaced in this time. So hello world 5, first 1 is replaced by 5, 2 is as it is, the second one is not replaced because I wrote here 1. So this is the parameter which is going to take how many times you want it to be replaced. Okay, this is how replace function works.